Get paid daily. 15 apps for making money online from home. I discovered 15 apps that you can use on your phone to earn money effortlessly every day. By using some or all of these apps together, you can easily generate extra income to cover your daily expenses or potentially even more. If you're looking for the perfect side hustle, you may want to check out some of these apps because I assure you that they pay really well. Let's get started right away. Imagine getting paid for activities like walking, driving, biking, or taking public transportation. That's exactly what the Miles app offers. All you need to do is download the app, register, turn on location services, set it to always, and then simply set it and forget it. The app will automatically track your miles, and you can redeem them for gift cards and other rewards. It's a hassle-free way to earn rewards just by going about your daily routine. The amount of money you can earn on this app depends on how frequently you move around. In terms of earning potential, I would rate it a 1 out of 10 on the money scale. What if you could earn extra on your phone or computer just by using it without having to do anything extra? That's exactly what Peer-to-Profit offers. You can make money by simply using your device as you normally would. It's a unique way to earn money effortlessly by leveraging your regular device usage. All you need to do is install the app on your phone or computer and you'll start earning money every month just for having it installed on your phone. It may sound too good to be true, but what the app does is sell your unused internet power to advertisers, internet companies, and marketing agencies. These companies use the data to analyze competitors, validate ads, and gain market insight. It's a legitimate way to earn money by putting your unused internet power to work. These companies pay Peer-to-Profit, and then Peer-to-Profit pays you for installing the app on your devices. The more devices you have the app installed on, the more money you can make. On average, you can expect to earn around $8.50 per month for each device with the app installed. While it may not seem like a lot, keep in mind that it's essentially free money for doing nothing except installing the app and collecting the earnings. I would rate its earning potential a 2 out of 10 on the money scale. Observa is an app that allows you to earn money through PayPal by taking pictures and answering a few questions using your phone. Essentially, you'll be auditing brand marketing at stores such as Walmart, Target, gas stations, and other similar places. The app provides directions for completing the audit, and you'll earn money for each completed task. It's a straightforward way to earn money by simply following instructions within the app. For instance, you might find an opportunity at a store near you to take pictures of the in-store marketing for Doritos or Red Bull. The app will provide directions such as taking a picture of the shelf with a bag of Doritos chips on it. You simply follow the instructions within the app, take the required pictures, and upload them. It's a simple process that allows you to earn money by completing these tasks using your phone. In addition, Observa occasionally offers secret shopper opportunities where you can get paid to eat or shop at certain places. These tasks are typically quick, taking about 20 minutes or less to complete. The pay for each job varies based on your location, ranging from $4 to $20 on average. After evaluating the app, I would rate Observa a 2 out of 10 on the money scale. While it may not offer substantial earnings, it can be an easy way to make some extra money through simple tasks. Now let's talk about an app that offers up to 100% in crypto cashback for your everyday shopping. The Social Good app is an innovative and ambitious global project built on blockchain technology. It's currently the world's largest shop-to-earn app, and for good reason. With the Social Good app, you can earn up to 100% crypto cashback by shopping at over 1,800 popular online stores like eBay, the Home Depot, AliExpress, and Walmart. Here's how it works. Let's say you're shopping online at Best Buy and you purchase a new TV for $1,000. If you make that purchase through the Social Good app, you can earn up to 1,000 SG rewards, which you can then exchange for crypto. Additionally, you automatically earn up to 15% interest on staking rewards for all the SG you hold. You also have the option to exchange SG for other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and USD Tether, as SG is listed on major exchanges. The Social Good app has already rewarded over $50 million in cashback to users, and it boasts over 2 million users with expectations of exponential growth. The app is free, easy to use, and offers a secure experience with over 70 registered patents. Another noteworthy app that deserves a spot on this list is 1Q. With 1Q, you receive short survey questions to answer, and you can earn anywhere from 25 cents to over $3 per question. What sets this app apart is that they pay you immediately through PayPal after answering a survey question. And there are no minimum withdrawal requirements. This means you can get paid instantly for every survey you complete. On 1Q, you can earn an estimated amount ranging from 25 cents up to $3 per completed survey. The surveys are typically short, consisting of only 1 to 4 questions. Overall, IQ is a decent app for earning extra money, and I would rate it 3 out of 10 on the money scale. Amazon Shopper Panel is an app offered by the well-known retail giant Amazon. It provides an opportunity to earn money easily on your phone. The app allows you to earn monthly rewards by sharing receipts from purchases made outside of Amazon.com, completing brief surveys, and enabling ad sharing. It's a simple way to earn extra rewards with minimal effort. To use Amazon Shopper Panel, all you need to do is upload 10 eligible receipts to the app every month, and in return, you'll receive $10 on your Amazon balance that can be used on Amazon.com. Additionally, completing short surveys and enabling ad sharing can earn you even more money. It's a straightforward way to earn some extra cash, and it doesn't get any easier than this. With more apps to go over, I'd rate the Amazon Shopper Panel a 4 out of 10. Moving on to another app that I highly recommend, Eureka. It's a survey app that offers instant cash payouts for taking short surveys. With over 252,000 reviews, most of which are 5 stars, it's clear that this app stands out from the many other survey apps on the market that aren't worth your time. There are 3 ways to make money with Eureka. First, by taking surveys, but you can also participate in cash giveaways for a chance to earn larger amounts and complete daily polls for free money every day. On average, you can expect to earn between 15 cents and $6 per survey, and most surveys are relatively short and can be completed in just a few minutes or less. I'd rate this app a 4 out of 10 on the value scale, but don't worry, we even have better apps coming up. Webull is an investing app that offers you the opportunity to invest in the stock market and earn passive income through stock dividends and free stocks for creating an account. Simply sign up for a free Webull account, connect your bank account, deposit 1 penny, and you'll earn 12 free stocks valued up to $36,000. It's a no-brainer. Plus, now that you have the app installed, it's a great time to consider investing for your future. There are tons of videos on YouTube that can guide you through the entire process of getting started with investing. Since this is investing, you really need to do your own research to know more about the fundamentals of this side hustle. I'd rate it a 5 out of 10. Now, imagine you're someone who frequents Starbucks regularly. Even if you don't actually drink Starbucks, just pretend for a moment that you do. Let's say you visit Starbucks 2 to 3 times a week, purchase your coffee, and that's it, right? But what if there was a way to monetize your visits to Starbucks? Well, with Mobi, a secret shopping app, you can. By providing feedback on the businesses and restaurants you regularly visit or eat at, you can receive rewards. Once you use the app, you'll ask questions about the business you're at, and when you complete the task, you'll get a reward for your effort. On average, you can expect to earn between $5 and $10 for each mission. These tasks are usually quick and easy to finish, taking only a few minutes. In my opinion, Mobi deserves a score of 5 out of 10. Global Adventures is a website that compensates individuals with up to $100 for capturing footage of the scenery around their city by walking, biking, or using a drone. To submit a video, visit the Global Adventures website and select Submit Video. You'll need to answer a series of questions about the video you plan to submit. However, your video must meet certain requirements to be approved and for you to get paid. For instance, the video should not contain any vulgar language, and they must be of high quality to be accepted. Here's a tip to enhance the quality of videos captured by iPhone users. Navigate to your iPhone settings, scroll down to the camera option, and select Record Video. From there, choose 4K at 24 FPS or frames per second. Opting for the 24 FPS setting will make your videos look more cinematic and therefore of higher quality. By submitting videos with exceptional length and quality, you could earn up to $100. Not a bad deal. In my opinion, I would give this a score of 5 out of 10. You may already be familiar with car rental services such as Turo and Getaround, which allow you to rent out your vehicle and earn passive income. However, there are other platforms that offer even higher payouts for renting out your car. HireCar is one such platform, which allows you to rent out your car to rideshare drivers and gig workers to earn reliable, passive income. Many individuals desire the freedom of being self-employed, setting their own schedules and taking vacations as they please. Thanks to the growing gig economy and apps like Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, and others, it's now more feasible than ever to achieve that level of independence. However, there's a predicament because not everyone has a dependable and high-quality vehicle for using rideshare or delivery apps to earn money. That's where HireCar comes into the picture. Simply install the HireCar app and click on Rent a Car to begin earning hundreds of dollars per week by renting out your car. Additionally, HireCar provides $1 million in liability protection for your vehicle. According to the platform, you can expect to earn up to $720 per month by renting out your car. Overall, I would give this option a score of 6 out of 10 in terms of its earning potential. Have you ever thought about earning money by playing games on your phone? Well, the answer is yes, you can. Missed Play is an app that allows you to explore new games and earn points by playing them. You can later exchange your points for Amazon gift cards, prepaid Visa cards, and much more. Unfortunately, this app is only available for Android devices on the Google Play Store. However, there's a great alternative for iPhone users called Prizes by Game. Just like Misplay, this app enables you to play games and earn actual money. Some users have reported making software from $5 to $10 per day by playing games on these apps. Essentially, you're getting paid to have fun doing something you would likely be doing anyways. On the money scale, I would rate this a solid 6 out of 10. MindSwarms is an app that pays out significantly more money than most survey-style apps, and many people may not be aware of it. To give you an idea of how much this app pays, the minimum payout for one study is $10, with many studies paying as much as $50. So what is MindSwarms? It's an app that allows you to apply for studies, record quick 40 to 60 second video responses, and get paid through PayPal within 24 hours. It's that simple. It's important to keep in mind that the videos you submit to MindSwarms need to be of decent quality and focused. For instance, if you're filming a video response and there's a lot of background noise or distractions, your submission may not be accepted. Therefore, it's recommended that you record your response in a quiet environment and keep it short and to the point. While there's no need to dress up formally, it's best to present yourself in a neat and tidy manner since it's a video. MindSwarms pays between $10 and $50 for each study, depending on the number of questions. Earning $50 for just a few minutes of work is a great deal, so it's definitely worth considering. I'd rate this app a 7 out of 10 for earning potential. Many people have to pay rent every month without fail, but what if you could turn this into a positive by earning rewards, saving money, and building your credit? Pinata is an app that allows you to do all of this simply by paying your rent on time. By confirming your on-time rent payments through the app, you will earn Pinata cash that can be redeemed for gift cards and rewards. It's that simple. By taking advantage of this app, you can make the most of your rent payments and turn them into a positive financial experience. The app has another feature that can help you save money on regular expenses through its deals marketplace. You can also choose to have your rent payments reported to major credit agencies. By using the Pinata app and confirming your on-time rent payments every month, you can earn around $20 in Pinata cash, which you can redeem for rewards and gift cards. Since you're already paying your rent, it's a great way to earn free money. Overall, I'd give this app an 8 out of 10. The last app on our list is simply named Make Money. It's straightforward, no gimmicks, just an app that lets you earn cash easily. To start making money with Make Money, you need to install the app and create an account. Once you sign in, you can begin completing various tasks like taking surveys, sharing your opinions, testing services, and even playing games. Most games in the Make Money app have specific instructions on how to earn points. This app is legitimate and has received almost a perfect 5-star rating from close to 500,000 reviews. Give it a try and start earning easy cash with Make Money. That's the list of 15 apps that can help you earn a decent amount of money. They are all easy and convenient to use, so there's really no need to delay joining any of these apps. Do it now and start earning money. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.